but say,
Welcome to Brands America. 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 Welcome to Brands America.
Welcome to Brands
Alright guys, today we're going to do a truck race. This is race 2 in the 2018 Truck Series, and today we're going to review, boom, the 67 Chevy C10. Hoosier tires, that's so cool. Nice and purple, love this color. It's from the G case. I think this is from last year, 2016. Have to look it up. But anyway, really cool. Let's open this up. Wow, look at this. Looks super nice. Look at those graphics. I'm really impressed with this truck. I don't know what else to say. I just love the purple. I'm just kind of quiet. Chrome interior. It would get very hot in there. Alright, this is 2 in a row series. Alright, so today's driver is CHEVY Woods. Hope I said that name right. He has been commenting a lot of my videos, and I appreciate it. And he is currently 10th place in the off-season in his Camaro. But we're going to give him a shot in the Truck Series, the 2018 Truck Series. He'll have to win 2 in a row against, boom, Stu Murray.
when you need Stu Murray in your life, when you need Stu Murray, he doesn't fight. When you need Stu Murray, pizza pie. When you need Stu Murray, number 9, Roto-Rooter.
That's right. Stu Murray is the 2017 Truck Champion. But CHEVY is making his first appearance in the 2018 Truck Series. I am so excited for the daily series to come back in February. I do like the bone shakers, the purge stuff, and the off-season stuff, but I'm ready to get you guys racing against each other here. So here we go. Let's see who can win 2 in a row. Stu has won 10 wins last year in the Truck Series. He has won the championship last year, and he has won 1 race in 2018. CHEVY Woods over there making his debut. They are going to go down in the Truck Series. They're going to go down the ILC long straightaway here, through the big turn, and through the finish line. So whoever wins 2 in a row is the winner of the race. So here we go. Race 2 in the 2018 season. This is a monthly series. We will have Truck Week here sometime this coming year, but on your mark, get set, go! Whoa, Stu won that round 1. Alright, round 2. Stu now has the inner advantage. CHEVY Woods has the outer. They're going to go down the ILC track, through the long straightaway, through the back stretch, through the finish line. The crowd is excited. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, Stu won 2 in a row! got to do this last race, but Stu gets the trophy. Maybe next time, Shakri, Woods. Maybe next time. Definitely go get this truck because it is a very nice color. But once again, this Ford F-150 is unstoppable. So, good job, Stu. 2 races. He has won in the 2018. I'm very excited about this format. The 2-in-a-row series will be coming to the daily series. So, the sign up for that will come soon. You'll see it in a video where to sign up. A lot of new people out there, so thank you for subscribing. Makes me feel good. Anyway, so here we go. So thanks, guys. This will be the format for the daily series coming up in February. We'll see you guys. Bye.
Duck what? Duck what? Ducks at work. Quack quack. Duck what? Duck what? Ducks at work. Quack quack. Ducks walking round in shame. Ducks trying to figure out who to blame. Duck what? Duck what? Ducks at work. Quack quack. Duck what? Duck what? Ducks at work. Quack quack. Ducks walking round in the rain. Ducks walking round in so much pain. Duck what? Duck what? Ducks at work. Quack quack. Duck what? Duck what? Ducks at work. Quack quack. Ducks never using their brains. Yeah. Ducks walking round so vain. Duck what? Duck what? Ducks at work.